Hi everybody. Valentine's Day is coming and I just uploaded a new product. It is the Valentine's Day morning meeting add-on kit. You guys asked for more add-on kits. I've got some more nursery rhymes coming, but I wanted to do holidays as well. So this one actually has 3 chants and rhymes and an interactive book. So I thought I'd just walk you through it really quickly. No, this was not a planned live. I just thought I would do it and give you an idea of what's there. It's on sale right now for 30% off, which it's only $3, so it's not a whole lot, but it'll be that way until Monday at 4 on Eastern time. So through tomorrow. There is a song called How to Be Kind that is an original song, and the students pick. You can have them pick or give them out and have them put them on and then review all the different ways that they can be kind. So I can carry people's books. I can say hi to someone new. I can hold the door. Everything I'm doing is backwards from the way it looks to me on the screen. And just as a helpful tip, I always put my song words on the back of my page so that when I'm holding them out, I often will put this on a clipboard as well, or laminate it really well. Then I can see the words, so that way I remember them. Another one is 5 Pretty Valentines sitting in the store. Bob bought one. Now there are 4. And so then you just take one off. So that one's pretty straightforward. This is my favorite. I created a mailbox. So cut a slot, put it on. I would usually cover it with contact paper as well. But I wanted you to see that, yes, it is a shoebox. You can use a shoebox or whatever you want. And this is actually set up to do 5 red and white Valentines, which is done to green and speckled frogs. And so it just takes you, I wrote one to my friend, so they take it off, and then they put it in the mailbox. So they mail. So I like that. And then I've also added a really simple interactive book to this set. I don't usually include those in the younger sets for morning meeting, but I wanted to do something on how we send a Valentine, so it really kind of walks through what when Valentine's is. You know, we cut with scissors, we paste with glue, we use our crayons, we put it in an envelope, we address it, we put a stamp on it, and then we put it in the mailbox. So I just thought that was really good vocabulary for them to have. So I will put the links in the comments below as soon as I get off. It is available in my store as well as in my TPT store. If you are an Academy member, then you get 20% off plus the sale. So you can get it for cheaper in the Shopify store. And if you have any questions, drop them below and I'm happy to answer them. Hopefully it makes Valentine's Day a little bit more fun. And if you have rhymes and stories that you would like more morning meeting kits made for, drop them in the comments. I'd love to know that too.